Yo, is it just me or has my hair really actually grown in a month? Because I could have sworn before I didn't have to sit back this far in order for y'all to see where my length comes down to. And it comes like far compared to last time, y'all. I'm be too excited if this stuff actually works because it's only been 1 month that I've been applying this to my hair. 1 month. Yeah, that's it, y'all. So we got 2 more months to go. 2 more months. Who knows what this miracle stuff is gonna do? I hope it brings me miracles. Hey y'all, it's Paige Lynn. So as y'all already seen by the title, this is definitely a residue-free Chebe I mixture that I ended up doing. And you can still incorporate the butter, the DIY butter with this. I'm going to, but you don't have to. Earlier this week, I did it just with and this is what it is. It is the Chebe, and you can see literally like that's not even the residue because you just shake it up and like it's gone. So and just give it a nice shake before you do spray it, and there will be no residue in your hair whatsoever. So this is really helpful for a lot of people that said that, they didn't like the residue. They didn't like it coming out on their shirts, their clothing throughout the day, and everything in that nature. I haven't had any problem with it coming out on my clothes or anything. The only time it comes out is when I'm actually messing with my hair or taking it down to reapply it. But if I'm just like wearing twists and I'm pulling the twist back, I don't see any come out on my clothes. That's just me. So yeah, this is also kid friendly because I know somebody was asking me about if this would be good for kids. Now, I don't know if the butter would be good just because they could play in their hair and get the powder on their hands and then stick it in their eyes or anything like that. So I wouldn't recommend doing the butter, but I've actually been spraying this on face hair and just sealing it in with my regular oil mixture, and it's been working just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and just have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections, nothing fancy. The parting doesn't have to be super neat for what I'm finna show y'all. And I'm actually finna go into a little mini protective style. So I'm just gonna do my natural hair into probably like some jumbo chunky twists. So not any mini twists this time. So I start off with a pretty large section when I do this. Now, if you want to go ahead and go through and detangle, you can. So just for detangling purpose, because I just took my hair down out of 4 mini twists. I mean, no, 4 flat twists. So I'm going to section off, a little bit smaller just so I can detangle because I haven't detangled. So of course you want to start off with detangling. Y'all know I don't use combs much. Every blue moon now I use combs, but y'all know I was anti-comb for a whole year, and I think that had a lot to do with my hair growing as well. So just gonna detangle, detangle, detangle. Make sure I shake real good. And then I like to spritz on my scalp first and go ahead and massage. So I like to pull my hair, just not like yanking on it, but just a little tension when I massage my scalp so my hair doesn't get tangled. And so I just run my fingers through since it's detangled, and I just work my way down the strand a little section at a time to make sure I cover every section of my hair before going on to the next piece. And then I continue to finger detangle, get off any shedding hair that is coming off. So get off, remove any shedding hair. And then once I've done this, you could go ahead and now at this point just twist your hair up or keep it to the side and continue doing this until you're ready to style it. But I'm going to apply just a little bit because now that I did the spray, I don't use as much as of the butter. But I'm going to use a little bit, and I like to use the butter to lock in the spray, so basically like sealing it in. But like I said, you could use just a regular oil, an oil mixture, or just one oil, whatever you prefer, coconut oil, olive oil, whatever you know your main oil is that you prefer to use. And that is how it's kid friendly if you do it that way. This way I wouldn't recommend doing on a kid by using the butter to seal in. So then I'm just going to twist my hair all the way down for now just to keep it out of the way. But like I said, I am finna to do some chunky jumbo twists on my own hair. And that is it. So I'll just continue that whole process. I'm splitting it into 4 sections and then splitting the 4 sections into 2 sections. So 4 times 2, 8. Yes, I'm going to have 8 sections when I finish up with this process. And my hair feels really good compared to how it was looking. Y'all, my hair was looking pretty rough before starting this process, but yes, it feels really good after I get this done and detangle and apply this Chebe. So this Chebe has really been doing good for me, I think. And it's only been a month. I can't wait to see what 2 more months is gonna bring, because y'all know I'm doing it for 3 months total. So yeah, y'all just continue to watch. I'm just gonna fast forward and show y'all me applying this to the rest of my hair. Okay, y'all, so that is it for now until I do these jumbo twists that I'm going to do. And once again, I'm just doing it with my regular hair, so I'm not adding any hair or any extensions in. So yeah, that is it. Y'all, it's crazy how long my twists are now just when I do like big twists like this. And they used to be like literally this short. So it's crazy that they're like double the length now. But I went ahead and did that. I did end up adding a step in, and that was just using this moisturizing curl activator cream by Cantu. And the reason I went on and did that was also for more moisture, to add more moisture in, and then that way lock in the moisture. And also because I'm going to do my twist in a few minutes when my hair is completely dry, and it's just damp right now, so I'm sure this will take probably about an hour, not even that long. And then I'm going to do my twist. I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to add any more products, so this is it. Like, I'm not adding any more products. I've been limiting my product use as well with this Chebe, just because I don't want to interfere with using too much different stuff and then, you know, causing my hair to have a reaction and do the opposite of growing. So yeah, I wasn't going for that. So I'm just going to let them stay like this so they can go ahead and dry. And then I'm going to do my jumbo twist. I may end up doing a video for that. I'm trying to see, because I know a few people have been asking me about like different protective styles that I go into, if I could record that as well. So I may do it. It's kind of like my mini twists, but they're just going to be bigger. So yeah, I'll most likely record that, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As usual, share. Sharing is always caring. Be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.